Stop scrolling. You are paying for your comfort every single day and it's bankrupting you. Not your wallet, but your potential. You think your rent, your bills, your subscriptions are expensive? No. Comfort costs more because every time you choose ease over effort, you make a down payment on regret. Let me make this clear. Comfort doesn't charge you today, it charges interest. And one day you will wake up with debt you can't pay in the form of lost years, lost health, lost purpose. So let's talk about it. Because most people think the goal is to get comfortable. If you ever truly get comfortable, you are done. Your growth stops, your hunger fades, your purpose dies quietly in the background while you convince yourself you are fine. You are not fine, you are stuck. And that's what this episode is about. How to break that trap before it breaks you. Stay with me to the end. By the time we are done, you will know exactly how to stop paying for your comfort starting today. Let's begin. The system raised you to believe comfort is success. That if you work hard enough, save enough, and build a stable life, you will finally get to relax, but that was a lie designed to make you predictable. Comfort is a tool the system uses to control you because a comfortable person doesn't question, they don't create, they don't rebel, they consume, they keep scrolling, they order more, they watch other people live. The system profits while your fire dies quietly. The average person today is living like a domesticated animal, well-fed, entertained, but powerless. That's not freedom, that's sedation. You think you are relaxing after work. No, you are recovering from a life you don't want, and you call that self-care. Let's call it what it really is, escape. Because if you truly loved your life, you wouldn't need to escape it every night. You agree with me, right? How many hours do you waste numbing yourself because you are too afraid to feel uncomfortable? How many goals have you delayed because you are not ready yet? How much of your potential have you traded for temporary relief? That's the real cost of comfort, not money. Meaning. Here is the part that hurts. Most people will never know what they could have become because they kept choosing what they felt safe. They lived 80 years without ever living one day fully awake. They would die surrounded by comfort, soft couch, soft lighting, soft life, and realize too late that comfort was the coffin. If you always do what feels good now, you will live a life that doesn't feel good later. You think the pain of discomfort is expensive? Try the pain of regret. That bills never stop collecting. If this already eats you in the gut, subscribe right now to this YouTube channel because this is the kind of truth most people avoid, but you came here to grow. So let's go deeper. Let's break this down like a surgeon. Comfort is a drug and dopamine is the dealer. Every time you scroll, snack, or binge another episode, your brain gets a hit, a little shot of I'm okay, and that I'm okay becomes the reason you never change. The world doesn't need to change you anymore, it just needs to keep you comfortable. Your phone became your pacifier. Every notification, every scroll, every like, it's just a pacifier for your potential. And you are hooked, not because you are weak, but because the system is designed to keep you weak. Algorithms study your boredom like scientists studying lab rabbits. They know what keeps you numb. They know how long you stay before your conscience whispers, I should stop. And they flood you with just enough dopamine to silence that voice. Okay, let me ask you something real. When was the last time you sat in silence without reaching for your phone? When was the last time you felt anxiety and didn't try to escape it? When was the last time you faced the discomfort long enough to learn from it? You call it boredom, but boredom is the birthplace of brilliance. Every great idea, every breakthrough, every transformation begins where comfort ends. The problem isn't that you are lazy, it's that you are overstimulated. You are burning your drive on distractions. And when the world keeps giving you instant relief, you forget what delayed gratification feels like. You forget how to build, you forget how to wait, and you also forget how to earn. Comfort rewires your brain to crave pleasure instead of progress. And the longer you live like that, the harder it becomes to break free. That is why most people never change. Not because they can't, but because they are chemically attached to comfort. But there is a secret most people never realize. Discomfort is the real dopamine. Every time you push through pain, your brain releases the real reward. Confidence, clarity, control, not the cheap eat of comfort, the end high growth. That's what we lost in this generation. We traded the satisfaction of mastery for the convenience of ease. We traded challenge for content. This is the most dangerous version of comfort, the one that wears a good mask. It's not the Netflix binge or the endless scrolling, it's the comfortable mindset that hides under self-care culture. The one that says, take it easy when you haven't earned easy yet. You've heard it before. Listen to your body. Rest is productive. You deserve to relax. And yes, sometimes that's true, but not when your body hasn't done anything worth recovering from. You get it? Most people aren't tired. They are untrained. They don't need rest, they need purpose. Self-care isn't face masks and bubble bath. It's discipline. It's showing up when you don't feel like it. It's saying no to the soft life when the hard path is the one that will save you. The new comfort looks like balance, but balance can be a trap too. If what you are balancing is mediocrity, you are not burnt out because you are doing too much. You are burnt out because you are doing too little of what matters. You wake up every day chasing comfort and calling it peace. But peace without purpose is just another form of sedation. Think about the gym. The first few reps burn, your muscles scream, and most people quit right there. But that burn is the language of growth. It's your body saying, this is how we get stronger. Life works the same way. The discomfort you avoid is the training ground for the version of you that can handle everything you say you want. Stop confusing healing with hiding. You are not healing when you avoid discomfort. You are escaping it. You are not protecting your peace. You are postponing your potential. I know this part is going to sting. You can't grow and stay comfortable at the same time. You have to choose. Most people will never be free because they keep trying to negotiate with discomfort instead of committing to it. A quick one, if you're still here, that means you are built differently. I want you to hit the subscribe button right now, share this video to someone that you love because this isn't motivation, it's reprogramming. This is the truth nobody likes to admit. Comfort steals your hunger. The moment you start feeling okay, you stop reaching for better. Comfort makes you predictable. It makes you average, and worst of it all, it makes you forget that you used to want more. You ever notice how people lose their edge after they start winning a little? They get a raise, a new apartment, a little attention, and suddenly the fire dies. That's comfort in disguise. It gives you just enough pleasure to keep you from pursuing purpose. You stop asking hard questions. You stop challenging your routine. You stop doing the uncomfortable things that got you there in the first place. And slowly you decay while calling it stability. Look around you. How many people do you know who have it good but are miserable? They have the car, the job, the house, but the look in their eyes, no light, no fire, just existence. That's what comfort does. It robs you quietly, not in one big moment, but one easy choice at a time. every "I will do it tomorrow," every "I just need a break," every "I'm too tired." Each one is a small transaction with comfort. And one day you wake up broke, not financially, but spiritually. Comfort doesn't ruin your life all at once. It rents it out one excuse at a time. The real cost of comfort is who you could have been. The confident you, the fit you, the disciplined, creative, free you. If you avoid discomfort now, you will meet it later, just with worse consequences, because life will always test you. You either choose your pain now or have it chosen for you. That's why people who chase comfort never feel fulfilled. They keep upgrading their lives but not themselves. New phone, same habits. New job, same fear. New relationship, same insecurities. They keep paying for comfort but never buying growth. If you feel that tension, that internal pull that says "I'm made for more," don't scroll away. You are at war with your comfort right now, and the next part will show you how to win. Stay with me. Okay, so let's talk about freedom. Real freedom isn't doing whatever you want. It's having the strength to do what you must. You can't escape the pain. You just get to choose which kind you pay, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. One makes you powerful, the other makes you pitiful. So how do you stop paying for comfort? Step 1, build resistance. Stop running from discomfort and start scheduling it. Cold showers, morning workouts, reading when you would rather scroll, silence when your mind wants stimulation, confrontations when your ego wants avoidance. Do it on purpose. Make discomfort your daily teacher. Step 2, redefine success. It's not comfort, it's capacity. How much discomfort can you hold before you break? That's what separates the great from the good. Not talent, not luck. Capacity. Everyone wants confidence, but confidence is built in discomfort. Everyone wants peace, but peace is forged in discipline. Everyone wants success, but success is just comfort repaid in pain. Step 3, earn your comfort. There is nothing wrong with rest if it is earned. There is nothing wrong with joy if it is built from effort. There is nothing wrong with comfort if it's temporary. The problem is when comfort becomes your lifestyle instead of your reward. Earn your comfort, don't live in it, because the comfort you earn gives life meaning. The comfort you avoid gives life emptiness. And here is the final step. Find something worth suffering for, because if you don't choose your pain, life will choose it for you. But when your suffering has purpose, it stops feeling like pain. It becomes power. You'll see it in your eyes again. That fire, that fight, that edge, the part of you that remembers you were never meant to live soft. You want to change your life? Start today, not next week, not when it's convenient. I mean today. Delete one distraction, finish one hard thing, break one small comfort, and watch how fast you start to wake up. Discomfort isn't the enemy, it's the gym for your soul. And every rep you take in discomfort builds the muscle for freedom. If this video hits you, don't just like it, act on it. Leave a comment telling me one comfort you are cutting off this week. That's your contract with your future self. Subscribe if you're tired of comfort culture. Share this with someone who is losing their fire, because this movement is bigger than motivation. It's about awakening discipline in a generation addicted to ease. Before you go, remember this: comfort is the most expensive addiction in the world, and freedom is the only thing worth paying for. Stop paying for comfort. Start investing in discomfort, because that's the only currency that buys the life you actually want. You can't live an extraordinary life if you keep choosing ordinary comfort. So choose your heart, choose your hedge, choose your fight, because comfort is expensive and you've already paid enough. Till I see you again, shine on.